We are here at Charlotte Motor Speedway tonight for what, Chris?
The Mustang Dark Horse R reveal. Really excited. Ford Performance has an awesome display set up. Tons of Mustangs here ready to do a parade lap around Charlotte Motor Speedway. And behind me, you can't miss it, that beautiful vapor blue Dark Horse with the handling package, automatic. It's a beautiful car. Needless to say, I'm gonna quit talking because we gotta show you what's in store for tonight. And that's it, the Mustang Dark Horse R. We're here out at Charlotte Motor Speedway. Absolutely insane reveal. This car is ready for the track. It takes the regular road-going Dark Horse and splits it right down the middle with the Mustang GT3 and GT4, which are inspired off the Dark Horse itself. It has everything from an upgraded oil system to transmission cooling, differential cooling, a Borla exhaust system to open things up, a special oil pan, roll cage, multi-matic dampers, camber plates, everything you need to plant that power down to the ground with slicks included. Obviously, it has that beautiful livery on it with that new Ford Performance branding, Recaro seats, Sparco quick release steering wheel. The digital dash is completely gone and replaced with its own dedicated screen. Performance ABS, Brembo front and rear calipers with race pads. You actually heard the pads squeaking as it came to a halt up in front of the stage with flow form wheels, 19 by 10.5 in the front with 19 by 11 rear. And again, Michelin 19-inch slick race tires for the Mustang Challenge class all the way around. Obviously, we're racers here at Steeda, so we are super excited for the new Mustang Dark Horse R with some other potential reveals coming down the line from Ford Performance. We're really excited to see what's to come. Make sure you hit that comment button below. Let us know what else you want to see on the all-new S650 Mustang, including these awesome Ford Performance variants. Hit that like, subscribe, that notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.